Next, I'll demonstrate the double buttonhole stitch using 4 strands of color number 3. First, bring needle up here. This line connects to the top. Separate from bottom. It belongs to the top line. Take it down here. Again, don't pull tight. Leave some thread on fabric. Come up vertically above. Pull thread up, forming a buttonhole. Let me show once more. First, find this short line connecting top. Bottom is separate, so it belongs to top line. Take down at bottom. Don't pull tight. Come up vertically above. Pull thread up, creating continuous buttonholes. Following these steps, complete remaining pattern. Keep stitch spacing even. For smooth lines, creating interlocking loops. Take it down. Same method for bottom row. We can turn the hoop over. Lines facing up. Makes stitching easier. Again, come up here. Take down below line. Come up vertically. Keep both rows of stitches aligned. For neat appearance. Final stitch down. Let's look at the result.